In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email through Gmail step by step. Whether you're new to emailing or just need a quick refresher, we'll walk through each stage so you can confidently send your messages out into the world. Email is an incredibly efficient way to communicate, but it can sometimes feel a bit daunting if you're unfamiliar with the process. Not to worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll see how straightforward it is to write and send an email using Gmail. First things first, let's get started by navigating to Gmail. To do this, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Gmail, or click on the Gmail icon if you have it bookmarked. If you are not yet logged into your account, you'll need to do so by entering your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself at the Gmail inbox. Your inbox is where all your incoming email messages are stored, and you should see a list of emails here, likely with the most recently received emails at the top. Next, we need to start drafting our new email. Look towards the upper left hand corner of your screen and you'll find a button labeled Compose. Click on this button to begin the process of writing a new email message. Clicking Compose will open a new email window on your screen. This is where you'll input all the necessary information for your email. Now that we have our email window open, let's focus on specifying who we're sending this email to. In the To field at the top of this window, type in the recipient's email address. Make sure to double check for any spelling errors, since even a small mistake in the email address can prevent your email from being delivered. If you're sending to more than one person, separate each email address with a comma. This ensures everyone gets your message without issue. Moving on, let's shift our attention to the subject line. Directly below the To field, you'll notice a bar where you can type the subject of your email. The subject line is important because it gives your recipient a brief idea of what your email is about before they even read the full message. Craft a concise subject that accurately reflects the content of your message. Remember, a clear and direct subject line can encourage a timely response. Following this, it's time to compose the body of your email. This is where you'll type out your actual message. There's no shortage of styles or formats you can use here, so feel free to customize it to suit your needs. You may choose to be formal or informal depending on the context of your email. If you're unsure how to start, a simple greeting followed by your main points and a closing remark is a tried and true structure for most emails. Use line breaks and paragraphs to keep your message readable, and feel free to use the formatting tools available to highlight important information. You can make text bold, italicized, or underlined, and you can even insert links and bullet points if necessary. Once you've completed your message and are satisfied with it, review everything before hitting send. It's always a good idea to check the recipient's email address again, look for any typos or grammatical errors in your message, and make sure your attachments, if any, are correctly added. This way your email maintains professionalism and clarity. Finally, you're ready to send your email. Look down to the bottom left of the email window where you'll find the Send button. Clicking this button will send your email off to the recipient or recipients you specified. After clicking send, your email will move from the drafts folder to the sent items, confirming that it has been delivered. And just like that, you've successfully sent an email using Gmail. That's the entirety of the email sending process with Gmail. With just a few easy steps, you can now reach out to colleagues, friends, family, or business partners quickly and efficiently. This tool truly simplifies communication, allowing you to convey important information or connect personally with others no matter where they are. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps in your digital communication. Don't hesitate to explore a little further, trying out features like scheduling emails or adding labels to better organize your incoming and outgoing messages. As you become more familiar with these features, emailing will feel even more seamless and effective. For more tips and tutorials, do check out our other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe for future content. Happy emailing!